Hello, I'm going to show you an example of how to use the RACES method to answer a prompt. Now first, a prompt is simply a question that we are answering or responding to. So this is our prompt. What is Mars's weather like? Now my first step is to restate the question into a statement. So I'm simply going to put Mars's weather is like, and now the second step is to answer that. So you see how this is an open-ended statement, it's not a full sentence. The second half of the sentence will be in the answer. And so, I have an article right here, already open. This is my text, right? This is the same text we've been working from. And I remember reading that Mars is very similar to Earth, and it has the same climates. And so I'm going to put is like Earth's weather, but more extreme. Now I have to use the text and cite evidence. So I'm going to say the text states, I'm going to put a comma here, and then put a quotation mark. Then I have to go over here and find something in here that backs up, connects and backs up to my answer here. So, let's see. It says Mars can be considered Earth's brother. It has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. Alright. But I also want to include this Mars is considered Earth's brother. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight and I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to paste without formatting. And then I'm going to close those quotation marks, right? You always want to put quotation marks on the beginning and end of whatever information you're copying directly from the article. That signals to people that you're quoting and you're not stealing, right? You've probably heard the word plagiarizing. By saying the text states and then using these quotation marks, that is how you signal to people, this is not my words, these are someone else's words, right? Then you have to explain that. You have to explain sort of this connection. So I might say this means that Mars has similar weather such as cold and hot seasons and wind and what else might I say? Wind and dry weather just like Earth. Earth. You'll notice how I'm always bringing it back to my answer and this evidence, right? I'm bridging a connection between those two ideas. Okay? Then you're going to summary. You're going to summarize and put all that together and sort of into a single sentence, right? So, in summary, Earth and Mars's weather are very similar, right? Then your last step is to sort of take all of this and put it here into a single paragraph. So Mars's weather is like Earth's weather, but more extreme. Right? Mars's weather. There we go. The text states Mars can be considered Earth's brother. It has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. This means that Mars has similar weather such as cold and hot seasons and wind and dry weather, just like Earth. In summary, Earth and Mars's weather are very similar, right? And that's all I have to do to create and then this is my actual, answer and response. So that's all I have to do. All right.